Good morning, students. In your mathematics book, this 12th lesson, how heavy, how light. In this chapter, today we are going to study here this page number 137. See here, practice time. Here, which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. You here in two pans, weight is given, and you show here which balance is here will go down. See this here 25 and 40 gram. First one here weight, then 25 and 40 means here 65 gram, and this 35 and 40 means this 75 gram, means this 75 gram weight is more than this 65 gram, then this balance is go down. Then next one, see here 75 plus 75, here 75 150 gram, then 35 and 140 5 7 1 175 gram, means this 175 gram this weight is more than this 150 gram, and this balance is here go down. Second ones. Then next one, see here in one balance here weight is given 105 gram and 200 gram, and here 150 gram, and here 250 gram. Then see this 503 305 gram, and this weight 0 5 5 10 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 400 gram. See in this balance here first one weight here 305 gram, and this 400 gram, means this second one balance will go down. Then see next one here 55 245, and here 700. Then how many weight here? 2 5 5 10 0 1 carry 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10 0 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 means 1000 gram. And second one, see 600 4 5 6 7 8, here only 854 gram. Then in this balance this first one is go down. The next ones you see here 20 and here 196 gram. 20 and 196 means 6 9 plus 2 11 1 260 gram. And next one here 170 gram, means this first one balance is go down. Then second next one, see here weight is given 36 and 75 means how much weight it is 6 plus 5 11 1 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11 111 gram. And next one here see 63 and 100. 63 and 100 means 163 gram. Then this second one balance weight is more than this first one, and this second one balance here go down. Is the weight of any of the pants equal to 1 gram? Mark it. How many grams are there in 1 kg? In 1 kg, 1000 gram means 1 kg. Then next one here grams and kilograms. Here name 5 things that we usually buy in your home daily, usually buy. Then in grams and in kilograms you write here. Suppose this wheat we use this in kilograms. Then sugar kilogram. Then in grams you write here which things we use here in grams and in kilograms. Then which is heavier? 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron? You see threw a heavy watermelon at me. Here 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron, means which is heavier here? 1 kilogram iron weight is heavier than this 1 kilogram cotton. Then next one, see this point here. Dinesen went shopping, and Dinesen went to a shop and bought here some things. His younger brother cut the end of wheel where the beds were written. guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in gram or in kilogram. See here. Here atoms and weight is given and this weight is in kilogram, yeah, in gram. Then you write in front of this. Here atoms is given rice 5 gram, no, this 5 kg. Then you write here kg. Sugar 1 kg. Mustard seeds 10 g means gram. Then wheat 3 kg. Dal 500 kg. Tea 250 kg, no, 250 gram. And this paper also this 25 gram. Then next one, this point, car and tractor. Ritu is wetting her toys and she wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car and how would you help her to find this quickly. Guess which is the heaviest, to a real car or a bus or a tractor. Then see in this balance here, one balance here tractor and one balance car. Then this balance is go down. Which one? Tractor. Means tractor is heavier than this car. Then next one, see this in your textbook page number 140. Elephant's weight. Elephant's weight. Oh no, I cannot bear this pain. Oh, elephant's weight. Once a king had pain in his stomach and none of the palace doctors could cure his pain. Then the king then said, anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. Then on hearing this, doctors from all over the country came, but only Dr. Vedika could cure him. Oh great, my pain has gone. Thank you, Dr. Vedika. So I can have my reward now, sir. But the greedy king did not want to give her this gold, so he thought of a track. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you that much gold. Then Vedika was unhappy, and when she reached home, she told her daughter the whole story. Then, how can I weight this elephant? Where will I get such a big balance? Then, don't worry, ma. I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a big boat. Then, in next morning, Dr. Vedika invited the king near a river, and the king came with an elephant with a big boat. Then I think she is a fool. Then how will she weight an elephant with a boat? No, it is not possible. Then Vedika's daughter went into the Vedika's daughter went into the river and she marked down the boat and how much it sank in the river. Then she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat and the boat sank deeper. So she marked this new water level on this boat. Then now imagine what happened next and complete the story. Discuss with your friends how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant. You imagine this story and you discuss with your friends and you complete this story. Then in this chapter again some points remain. Then tomorrow we will study. Okay. Bye.